7, 12.8 air fuel. That's what it's like, man. My man. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel again. Today we have we're gonna test a cam. Texas Speed sent us the new chopacabra cam for the L86 engines, the 2014 and up, the OT engines, 6.2 engines only. We have that truck that brought us to get a 6.2 engine swap on it, and we're gonna do the chopacabra on that one. We're gonna put it on a dyno, see how much power it does, how much torque, and how it drives, how it sounds. So we're not gonna have some baseline numbers because the truck already has a 5.3 with headers, cam, and all that. So we're doing the 6.2 cam headers. What we are gonna do is test it on 93 and then 85, just to make sure, you know, the difference and all that. So it's not out yet. They sent it to test it out. Anyways, let's start it. Well, guys, we installed the engine, the cam. We don't have videos of that because we lost the SD card. I don't know what happened. But let's check out the idle and the dyno. Let's do dyno. Let's check it out how it sounds. So we have a Dynacom dyno. It's loaded and it uses optical pickup. The pickup's RPM signal, so we can get the torque. So we can read the torque and the RPM. Let's put a piece of reflector tape, and then put this laser, so you can hit the tape and the crank reading, and we get RPM signal. So we get a piece of this reflector tape. Let's put it on the computer. Y ahí está el laser. So look, tiene un laser.
Y lo apuntas directamente al...
Yeah, al reflector tape. Yeah, it reads RPM and it gives torque.
¿Prendió el wiper? Sí, ¿verdad? ¿Qué?
No, ahorita que prenda mueva.
¿Qué güey?
So, este es el cold idle startup del chupacabra. It's gonna sound kind of loud, it's in the warehouse.
And then,
pero si quieres,
se acomoda ahorita.
You want to record?
Yeah. Escucha perrón, güey. ¿Verdad? Pero este es el 93, ¿verdad?
A ver, 93. Sí, 93.
Hey, güey, it's not bad, güey.
So the first pull was 380 and 377 of torque. We have to make some adjustments here. Time is still low. Let me check. So we do have 85. We're gonna drain the 93 and then put 85 and see the difference too on that.
Vale, otra, guys. Yeah.
Top 7, top 8 air fuel. That's what it's like, man.
Está bien, está con madres. Ahora, guys, lo vamos a dar con 85 y ya, ¿verdad? La sácala. ¿Le echo 85? Vamos a echarle 85, guys. Me miro bien pendejo, pero... ¿Están meando?
Todo el día me han andado meando. Déjale, doy una pasada volada.
¿Me bajo, güey? ¿Eh?
So guys, we started with 380. You know, we messed with the air fuel timing. We ended up with 93, 416 and 416 of torque. Then we added 85 and we went to 441, 450 of torque. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Drop a comment, let us know what you want to watch. We have more videos coming on. See you later.